We're finishing up this new construction house build. It is a Tuesday and we are in Dartmouth, Massachusetts today. I'm going to be installing these 6-inch recessed lights and take a look at how nasty this blown-in insulation is. You move the wires a little bit in the ceiling, 10 pounds of it comes down on your head. It coats the whole entire house in blown-in. It's just a mess. After that, I'm going to install the smoke detectors. I like to use orange-blue wire nuts by Ideal. They are the best. And then I'll put the dust covers on them. In the bathroom, they actually pushed our wires out on the exterior of the wall there. The HVAC guys did, so I got to come up with a solution for that. In the closets, they get an LED closet light. In the bathrooms, we like to use these Broan fan lights. And you got to make sure you select them to 110 CFM. That's a key step because they come from the factory at 50 or 80. I'm not too sure, but they don't come at 110 CFM. For some reason, the insulators like to bury our wires inside the blown-in. I don't know why they do that. They pull the wires out of the staple. And then afterwards, we got to cut these holes out for the recessed lights bigger with a keyhole saw because the sheetrockers did not cut the holes right. But they turned out pretty nice. Only one recessed light has a big gouge in it from a router. I'm going to be installing this piggyback switch here, and you got to make sure you break the tab on the piggyback switch because the island feed is different than the kitchen. And now here's my biggest pet peeve. You got to make sure that you use Ilskols when you go to install these wall ovens or any type of, big load. Do not use the blue wire nuts. The blue wire nuts, they fail. They don't tighten down properly, and it's not a reliable connection. Do not use the blue wire nuts. That's just my biggest pet peeve. In the garage, I put the heat detectors up. I got one keyless to finish up in this garage here, but the ceiling's going to be completely done here. And then in this other room here, the sheetrockers just stuck the router up there and cut the 6-inch hole in the completely wrong spot. I was noticing why the lights weren't lining up properly. But if you're in the Massachusetts area, give us a call. We are taking new clients.